Hey guys, welcome to tutorial video. Today I'll be showing you how to fix your messenger sound not working problem. And now let's dive right in. Now to fix your messenger sound problem on your phone, first open up your messenger app itself. And after you have opened your messenger app, at the top left corner of the screen you can see the three line icon. Tap over there, and over here you can see the settings icon at the top right corner of this interface. When it appears, tap on that settings icon just beside your name on the messenger. And over here scroll down a little bit and you can see the notifications and sounds over here. Just below the avatar, tap on the notifications and sounds like this, and after that you will be able to see the notifications and sound section of your app on your phone. Check either of these notifications or these buttons are turned off. If they are turned off, you might be getting the problem of no sound from a messenger like this. But if your ringtone and everything is turned on over here and it's fine, go to the customized notification settings just below the ringtone like this, and this is the settings of the app from the phone. If any of these notifications are turned off, turn it on, or if you can see there is the ignore and do not disturb button available. If the toggle icon for the ignore do not disturb button is turned on like this, your messenger will not give you any type of sound notification. So do make sure to turn off the toggle icon for ignore do not disturb. And with that being said guys, if your notification category from in-app as well as the settings of the phone is on, but if you're still getting the messenger sound problem, then probably there's a problem with your hardware on your phone. You might want to check it out. With that being said guys, this is how you fix your messenger sound not working problem on your phone. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.